Upgrade your chainsaw's performance with this professional tune-up kit featuring durable metal components and precision-engineered parts. This all-in-one set includes the essential sprocket clutch assembly, air filter, and ignition components designed for smooth, reliable operation. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, it brings new life to your equipment with easy installation and lasting durability. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options for your specific model. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more maintenance tips and exclusive tool reviews. Key specifications include compatibility with M71 and M91 models, part numbers 1141 and 640-2001, all crafted from high-grade steel and polymer materials.